Hello guys, welcome to another episode on our CSS short series. In this episode, we'll be talking about CSS syntax. This is basically how CSS is being written, how it looks like naturally. So how the CSS syntax is selector and the declaration. The declaration have two options, one before a column and the one outside a column, which is properties and value. Here is on the sample. So I open my windows of CSS and you can see the selector property, then a curly braces, then in here you're writing a declarative. Declarative could be stuff like font size, which you set it to something like 40 pixel or more. And so if you like this video and like to be part of our short series, do like, follow, and also share to any